Discover some of the features and functions of your Electrolux dual fuel range that will help you maximize mealtime. Before you begin, there are a few steps you can take to customize your cooking experience. When first installed, you will want to set the clock by pressing the oven temperature knob to enable time selection. The hours can be set by turning the oven temperature knob right or left. Press the knob to confirm the selection. Repeat the same process for setting the minutes. Now that you have your clock set, you can turn your focus to setting up the gas cooktop. Before you begin cooking, ensure all the packaging materials have been removed from the appliance. You'll then want to wipe it down with a clean, damp cloth and let it dry. There may be a slight odor during the first few uses as dirt and dust from transport burn off. This is normal. The cooktop uses electronic igniters to light the burners. There is no pilot light. All igniters are activated when a control knob is pushed. You can light and adjust the flame size of each burner by pressing and turning the relative cooktop knobs. Refer to your use and care manual and read all the safety precautions before use. Check to ensure your burners are installed correctly. Make sure the shape of the burner skirt openings match the shape of the openings in the burner base. Ensure the flame spreader crown is centered on the burner skirt. Check that the burner cover is leveled and centered with respect to the burner skirt. Place the right and left cooktop grates followed by the central grate. Note: make sure the raised side of the grate always faces the backguard. For 30-inch cooktops with fish burners, reference your use and care manual for proper installation. Prior to using your oven for the first time, we recommend conducting a test bake. Set the bake function to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. This allows the inside of the oven to remove manufacturing residues. Some smoke and noises during this time is normal. Now it's time to cook. Your range comes with 4 different oven modes that allow you to create a variety of meals. Bake allows you to cook one dish at a time and is perfect for roasts, bread and cakes, fatty meats, and more. Convection bake uses a fan to evenly and continuously circulate hot air around your food, allowing for faster, more even results, and cooking different foods on several levels. This mode is perfect for preparing multiple dishes. Broil uses the top heating element to perfectly grill meats, especially thin and medium thickness meats. Convection roast uses a combination of the fan and ring heating elements to cook different foods on several levels, from fish and vegetables to biscuits without odors mingling. In addition to these cooking functions, your range has additional features to try out. Proof creates the perfect oven environment to activate yeast when baking homemade bread or pizza. Warm maintains a constant temperature inside your oven, which is useful for preventing freshly cooked food from cooling down. Sabbath mode can be activated in observance of the Sabbath and other Orthodox Jewish holidays. Temperature probe cooking measures the core temperature of your food so you can make sure it's cooked to perfection. The temperature probe can only be used during certain oven modes, including bake, convection roast, and convection bake. Begin by placing the food on a rack and inserting the probe into the thickest part of the food. Then plug the probe into the socket on the left-hand side of the oven cavity and close the door. When using the temperature probe, there are 2 temperature values that have to be selected: the oven cavity temperature and the temperature probe target temperature. A minute minder cannot be set while the temperature probe is in use. Cooking will stop when the probe reaches the set temperature. To prolong the life of your appliance, don't forget to clean the interior of your oven regularly with mild soap and water. This will help you avoid hard-to-clean, baked-on messes. Your oven also comes with a cleaning function, Steam Clean, which is a great option for smaller spills. You're ready to begin enjoying the ease and convenience of cooking with your dual fuel range. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.